Okay, so what I'm saying is that question one is about petty cash. Okay, petty cash. So petty cash. That's what the question one is. Now, the petty cash book is meant for expenditures, for expenses of small nature. Okay. Now, these expenses that I'm saying they are small nature, we call them miscellaneous expenses. So, for instance, TNT, maybe you have staffs that would have to deliver some letters or some documents to other people elsewhere, and they would use transportation as a means of delivery. So the transportation cost is or can be classified as these miscellaneous expenses because they are small in nature and in amount. Now, these miscellaneous expenses are expenses that are not material to the decision or financial decision of the organization on their own. So, individually, they are not material, but when they come together, they can be material. Such expenses are treated in the petty cash book. So, now let me show you how the petty cash book works. It works under a system called the interest system. Now, under the interest system, the petty cashier is given an amount of money, let's say 5,000 Ghana cedis, and this amount of money we call it a cash float. It is called a cash float because it comes from the petty cash, it comes from the main cash book. Okay, this amount will come from the main cash book. Okay, now, and this petty cashier would be given this amount to use it to cater for these miscellaneous expenditures until it gets exhausted or until the amount is used to the minimum. When such an event occurs, the petty cashier goes for what we call reimbursement. So let's say the petty cashier will use the 5K or 5,000 Ghana cedis until maybe it gets to, let's say, 500 cedis or a minimal amount. So when it gets to that amount, he'll go to the cashier, the main cash book cashier, for the person to top up the difference. You know that now it's left with 5,500. So the person will top up with 4,500 so that it will add up to make it 5,000 again. Then the process will continue. They will spend it again, expenses, till it gets to the minimum and they go for another reimbursement. So this is how the interest system works. First of all, the petty cashier is given a cash amount called the cash float. And this cash float is meant to be used on these miscellaneous expenses, expenses of small nature. So when such occurs, when when the petty cashier uses this amount to the minimum, he goes back to the cash bookkeeper for reimbursement. So they would top up the difference, which is the amount that has already been spent, will be given to him to add up to get the exact amount that was given originally. Then he uses it again. Please, do you understand the interest system?
Yes.
Hello? Hello? Okay, so when you are done writing the name of the question, you should, it says that the cashier of Josco gave 4,000 as a float to the petty cashier. Payments out of the petty cash during August is as follows. So first of all, you have to draw the petty cash table. And this is how a typical petty cash table looks like. This side is the date. Did he teach you petty cash? So you look at the expenses. We have wages, we have traveling expenses, we have postage, we have traveling expenses, cleaning expenses, we have wages, postage, cleaning expenses, postage, and we have settlement of ANSA accounts, we have purchases, okay, we have postage, cleaning. Okay, so you can see that these expenses are recurring in nature and they are petty. Look at the amount. Look at the amount. You see, the amounts are not really huge. 300, the highest is 300. Okay, sorry, there is an amount like 450. That's the highest. The rest are 300, 450, 50, 80, and the rest. So you create accounts for them. So the first one is traveling expenses, which I'm naming it TNT. Oh, so TNT will come. Then the second one is wages. So wages. Then the next one, I think cleaning expense. So cleaning expense. That one to come. So after the cleaning expense, think postage to can come. So postage to can come. Then after postage, what again?
Item 26, settlement of answers account in the purchase ledger.
So yeah, so ledger accounts. So ledger accounts. That's the last one. Okay. So they said it is for the month of August. So you write August. That they didn't give us a year. So we are not interested in it. Now they said on the okay, they gave year. That's 2008. So you should write the year first. 2008 August. Then you start first. So on the first, we received 4,000. So we record it at the receipt side. Please write your currency signs at where necessary, where the transactions amount will be. Always remember to write your currency signs. Okay. So on the first, they said we received 4,000. So the 4,000 will be at the receipt side. Then the particulars will be what? Cash floats. Because they said we received what? A cash float of 4,000. Please, you understand?
Yes.
Good. So when we do that, payment this side, the whole of this side is payment. So payment, okay, this side is payment. This side is receipt. So, but please, we always remember to write the title of it, petty cash book. Okay. So the payment will be dash, 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 dash. Because there was no payment on the first. Even if there is payment on the first, for the receipt side, it is advisable to do dash. Okay. So on the second, there was a payment, and the payment was in relation to wages of 300 cedis. So you come second, receipt dash. So you write wages, folio dash. The amount was 300. So you go to wages, you write the 300 there, dash, dash, dash. So you write it at the total and you write it at the wages column. Please, you understand?
But please, may I ask, after particulars, what is the item? I can't see it well.
Folio, folio, folio.
Folio.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Please, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So second, so third, there was a traveling expense of 150. So you go TNT third. So that one to TNT, 150 at the total, then 150 at TNT. The rest will be dash, dash, dash. On the fourth, postage. Please, this one, you guys should get it correct. How much was it? 100. So you go to postage, write your 100 there. On the ninth, okay, on the fourth again, there was TNT 100. That same fourth. So TNT 100. Oh, sorry, it should be at TNT. So 100 and dash, dash, dash. On the ninth, cleaning expenses. So cleaning, ninth, cleaning. So you write it. How much was it? How much was it? Cleaning on the ninth. I think that one was 50. Please, is it 50?
The ninth.
Yes, please.
Yes, 50.
Yes.
Okay. So 50. So 50. Please, you guys should get this one correct. This one is so simple. On the 10th, TNT. So the total was 150. So 150 will come in. Then where TNT to is. 10th again, there was wages, 200. Please, have you seen it? So wages, 200. The only place that will be a problem tomorrow, let me extend the line. Okay. So on the think on the 12th there was postage. Postage, postage of 150. So 150 will be at the total. And where postages? I think postage was the last part of it. So postage is here. So 150 and dash. On the 14th, there was traveling expense of 250. So 14th, TNT amount 250. TNT is the first one. So you write it there. 250. Dash, 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 dash. This you understand.
Yes, Paul, can you scroll up a bit? Let me see something like that. Hey, you.
No, it wouldn't do anything. So you write the 400 at the total, then you bring the rest
450,
there.
yeah.
Okay.
It's not 450.
Sorry, 450. 450. It's 450. 17th is wages. Hey, we are done with 27th. Postage 150. So 27th postage 150. So postage, I think postage should be the fourth. Okay. So you write it out where you see postage 150, then dash. 28th cleaning expense 80. So cleaning 80, 80. Now on the 31st, they said that the cashier reimbursed the petty